Hey, imagine this. You walk into a store or scroll online to buy a new computer, and for the first time ever, you're not sweating. No confusion, no fear of getting ripped off, no second guessing if you just wasted $1,000 on stuff you don't need. Sounds pretty great, right? Well, if you've just finished reading that beginner-friendly computer guide, you know the one, that's exactly where you are right now. You're not a beginner anymore. You're the person who actually gets it. And today, in just a few minutes, I want to celebrate that with you and show you why this changes everything. Let's be real. Most people buy computers the same way they pick a restaurant when they're starving. Whatever looks good in the moment, whatever the salesperson pushes, or whatever their friend has. But you're different now. You understand that it all starts with one simple question. What do I actually need this thing for? Not what looks cool, not what's on sale, not what the ad screams at you, your needs. And because of that, you can look at a spec sheet and instantly know if it's perfect, overkill, or straight up junk. Need something for emails, browsing, Zoom calls? You know 8 gigs of RAM and a solid SSD is plenty. No need to drop extra cash on gaming level power. Student juggling classes and Netflix? You'll grab something lightweight with great battery life and not feel guilty saying no to the flashy touchscreen upsell. Gamer or video editor? You're the one hunting for a real graphics card and 16 plus gigs of RAM without getting suckered into paying double for a pro badge. You've learned to spot the big three that actually matter. A decent processor, enough RAM, and, please, an SSD instead of that old spinning hard drive. Everything else? Nice to haves, not must-haves. You also know where to shop without getting burned. You've got the safe list. And the red flags? Too good to be true prices, pressure tactics, no return policy. You see them coming a mile away now. But it doesn't stop at buying. You're the person who sets up a new machine the right way, updates everything, kicks out the bloatware, installs real antivirus, backs up files, and actually organizes the desktop. Most people never do half of that, and then wonder why their brand new computer feels slow in 6 months. Not you. Here's the coolest part. This knowledge saves you money, time, and stress for the rest of your life. Every future purchase, every upgrade, every time a friend asks, "Hey, what laptop should I get?" You're in control. You've gone from guessing to knowing. And that confidence, it feels amazing. So here's my question to you. What are you going to do with this new power? Are you finally going to replace that ancient laptop that's been limping along? Help your parents or your kid pick something perfect without overpaying? Maybe even extend the life of the computer you already have with a simple upgrade? Whatever it is, you're ready. If you've read the book, you already have all the checklists, tables, and step-by-step details right at your fingertips. Bookmark them, share them, come back to them anytime. And if you haven't grabbed the full guide yet, honestly, what are you waiting for? It's the one resource that turns tech confusion into total confidence, and it's packed with way more real-world examples, quick reference charts, and practical tips than I could ever fit in one video. Link is in the description. Go get it. Because now you know, the power isn't in the computer, it's in you. Drop a comment and tell me, what's the next tech decision you're excited to crush? I'll see you there. Peace.